Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. The best internet resources about how to troubleshoot QuickTime install issues. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to troubleshoot QuickTime install issues is download-site.org. Specifically the page titled Problems Downloading QuickTime Download Site, Download. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.apple.com, especially the page Mac Apps, QuickTime, Apple Support. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site support.apple.com. The web page issues installing iTunes for Windows, Apple Support. Here's the link.